Hello and welcome back to another episode of Profit or Loss series with Handy Dandy Repairs. Today we've got a PS5. Now I paid $220 for this one and I've written overheating. So it was sold to me, it said it would crash during like loading a game or something like that. So I suspect it's just overheating, but we will obviously test it and see what happens. So let's go over to the overhead. First things first, we're going to plug it in and verify the issue. Make sure it goes to a white light, which it has. We've got an image on the screen. There we go. And we will try and load up a game. Something went wrong. Maybe it's just something to do with that game in particular. Let's just check that it's all up to date. It seems to be. Most of them are just that particular game. It hasn't shut down or anything, so it doesn't appear to be an overheating thing. So I'm just going to factory reset it. I'll sign into my own account and I'll try a few different games on my account. Just while it's updating, I thought I'd check a few things, and warranty sticker has been taken off and we're missing this cover plate here. Not a big deal, but just worth noting. Just because the warranty sticker's come off, I might open this console anyway just to check a few things. He's got thermal paste on everything. Okay, we do have liquid metal. Again, a whole bunch of thermal paste. I can see signs here that there was thermal putty at one stage. So they've obviously removed the thermal putty and I'm getting paste everywhere. Alright, we're back together. So, just going to verify everything still works. It should. And then I'll do some extensive testing, clean the thermal paste off my hands. Download some games, play some games, give it a really good test, make sure we don't have any crashing or anything like that. And yeah, I'll update shortly. Just shut down. It did boot and then it shut down. Let's try that again. Screen's just gone blank. It's going to shut down again. Yeah. Okay. Shutting down. I don't think that's overheating though. Let's see what UI has to say. try now. There we go. Alright. So we're getting, damn it, that's not good. It's the same code I had on the last PlayStation, which ended up being a cracked APU. This one here also says check APU for die cracks. Damn, that's not good. Alright, let's get it back apart and check the APU. Is that a crack in the corner, or is that just a bit of sticker residue or something that's landed on there? Does seem like a bit of a crack, to be honest. Definitely looks like a crack. Adjust our polarization. Definitely looks like there's a crack in that corner. Well, again, that is so unfortunate. Might have to get into the habit of checking APUs before we start doing anything else from now on. It's not even visible with the naked eye, like it's so small. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you think it's worth changing the SSD controller and trying again, just seeing what happens, maybe we will. If you think that APU crack, that tiny little chip that's missing out of the corner, is enough to basically make it a write-off, well then let me know that too. Let's have a quick look at the profit or loss. So that's this console here. So this is most likely, what is that play? Is that PlayStation 6? This is likely just going to be $0 as well. And that really hurts. There goes all our profit until we can sell this one. Hopefully we'll sell this one for a bit of a profit, and it'll get us back in the green. But unfortunately, yeah, that's just how the story goes. Unfortunately, you can't win them all. Some you win, some you lose. Don't seem to be having much luck with the PS5s lately, but hopefully we will get back into it and get some nice easy fixes, some HDMI ports or a faulty cap or something. If you want to keep up to date with this series, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and bell notifications. See how long, maybe make some guesses about what episode you think it's gonna be by the time we hit our target. If you think we're ever going to hit our target, let me know your thoughts down in the comments below, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.